Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival. Joining me for this segment, we have Alex Wong. He is the founder and CEO of TNG Fintech. Thank you so much for joining us at the festival today. Now let's talk about providing financial inclusion to the unbanked population. What is TNG Fintech working on?
We provide financial inclusions, obviously, targeting the unbanked, because there are more than 2 billion people, almost half of the world's population, do not have a bank account or have no access to basic financial services, especially in the ASEAN region. Some countries, up to 70% of the population do not have a bank account. So this is where our target are.
Why do you think there is not access? Is it just because the infrastructure isn't there?
Yes, predominantly the infrastructure. Take example, Philippines, they have more than 7,000 islands. Indonesia, more than 10,000 islands.
Wow.
260 million population. It will take them another 100 or 200 years in order to lay down the ATM network nationwide to the same level as the developed countries.
Right. So, well, if you think about it like this, if they don't need to build that old infrastructure, they could. They can exactly. I mean, I know just from my experience being here versus what we have in the U.S., some of the technology far surpasses what we have because they either haven't had to fix infrastructure or build the infrastructure. And you're right, they're
and it's too expensive. It takes hundreds of years, and the distribution of cash to the hand of the people, the cost is simply too high.
Right. So, thank you for sharing that. That's really good insight. What are your plans to expand globally?
We are now providing the platform. Because if you look at the bank today, if your money sitting in bank A cannot transfer to bank B or C, this bank has very little value to you.
Right.
And there are so many e-wallet operators today. They are trying to fill the void that traditional banks don't do to provide financial inclusions. However, they are all playing with themselves. Their money are not interoperable, cannot be transferred from one e-wallet to another e-wallet, and they cannot do cross-border. So we provide them with a global network to do real-time wallet-to-wallet money transfer. And also, we not only make them interoperable, we also allow them to do instant messaging, cross-platform, and also do P2P call, communication, cross-platform as well. So WeChat cannot talk to WhatsApp. We are opening it up for the 3 platforms: money, messaging, communication, to make all the e-wallet operators interoperable.
Now, is that what the Global E-Wallet Alliance is?
Yeah, exactly. Right. And this is a very exciting show because a lot of regional players, e-wallet players, they are all very small players, standalone, and they want to plug on to tap into the global network that we have.
Thank you so much for joining us at the festival. And thank you for joining me throughout the day. Be sure to stay tuned to the Singapore FinTech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.